show you how to make bouquet. Your first thing is you fold this, you grab a piece of green post-it note and you fold the sticky bit so you can't get sticked. Then you use scissors and cut 3 lines like that. Then you fold all the corners on the top row. Then you grab a pink piece and fold this bit, and you roll it up. And then you turn it this way so it looks like that. And you grab the green bit and you roll the green and the pink together. You grab a glue stick and glue this bit down. And you roll it until it sticks there. And you've got 1 rose to go off your flower. Then you keep redoing that until you have your flower.